We're James and Holly, and for over 10 years we've both been spending all of our hard-earned money on travel, but things are about to change.
We bought a house!
And the house we have bought is a doer-upper, so we've got to do everything in the house, and we've never done anything quite like this before, so we're complete novices. Welcome to our new adventure.
Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 13 of the House Renovation series.
And due to the unprecedented situation that is currently going on in the world at the moment, we've been asked to no longer leave our houses, so we've got no excuse to stay in and do the house, and finish the house, complete the house, get the house done!
And as you'll see in today's video, we do not complete the house.
So why do we always do this, Holly?
Or do what?
Try to mix the paint in here.
I don't know.
Every time we get a mixed paint, we do it in like the most awkwardest thing. We're like this, trying to like not splash it. We should just put it in a flipping bucket.
Yeah.
And mix it and then pour it in. But anyway, what I'm doing is mixing water with just some white paint at the moment, because finally we're going to be painting the ceiling in the bathroom, which I'm very much looking forward to doing. Very much looking forward to do. Paint the ceiling. But we've only got to paint the ceiling in this room because all of the rest of the walls are being tiled from the floor all the way up to the very top of the ceiling. So we're going to get paint on here. Yeah, I was going to say something else, but I completely forgot. Should we just paint?
Just paint.
Just paint.
I'm just being a twat.
And as quick as that, the hallway has now been plastered all the way up the stairs. It is looking so much better, so smooth and so flat. You might not think much has happened, but a lot has happened. We have got rid of all of that horrible old crumbly plaster, and we've got the nice new plaster on here now. We've obviously kept this brick wall on this side right now. These are just bits of masking tape because we've painted the brickwork, but this has got wood inside of it, these three bits here, so we're going to be keeping this as exposed wood, so we've just been painting around it. The exposed beam, or the fake beam, what we've done is looking so good up there, and then we can come upstairs and everything is looking so much better. It's all plastered all the way around. We've got these nice, crisp, clean edges now on the stairs. All what's left to do is to basically paint everything. Or a few videos ago when we last showed this room. This is the games room, or the spare bedroom, which is basically just mine and Holly's gaming room. It's looking all good. Everything is basically done in here. The beam, the walls, everything's been painted. The skirting boards, obviously the lights aren't done yet. Don't worry about that.
Who needs lights?
We don't need lights. We've got priorities.
Playing games.
Just playing games. So we're going to be tackling the floor right now. Now a lot of people, when they came into the house or watched the videos, they go, oh my God, I love the floorboards. Are you going to keep them? No, we're not going to keep them. And it baffles me that this was the floor in the bathroom. If you didn't know, this used to be the bathroom. We've converted it. The bathroom is now next door. Spin around, Holly.
It's not a bathroom yet, it's the dumping ground.
A lot of people said to keep the floorboards. We're not keeping the floorboards. We will be carpeting this room. Now, we are going to be also putting down underfloor heating, and we're slightly worried or slightly concerned about putting underfloor heating down on the current state of the floor. As you can see, the floor is pretty knackered. I've had to patch in some wood here and some wood over there because the floor was really, really bad. So we've replaced some of the floorboards. I'm not replacing all of them because that would take ages and it will cost a lot of money. So instead of doing that, we've just got a shipment of 3mm ply. Now I know this isn't probably going to be the perfect solution. We're still going to have a little bit of unevenness in the floor. When we put the ply down, it's basically going to take out any kind of unevenness in the floor, which could potentially shorten out the wires in the underfloor heating.
We are technically keeping the floorboards, they're just going to be underneath
everything.
Yes.
The thing is as well, we've got the layer which goes under the underfloor, then you've got the underfloor, then you've got the under carpet underlay. Then you've got the carpet. There's so many layers, so any unevenness should be okay. So that's why we're not putting down like a 18mm chipboard or a thicker ply or something.
That's not pipes. That's pyres.
I forgot how you spell pipes.
Put a question mark.
Pipe.
Pyres?
I'll put A-K-A-P-I-P. Pipes. Safety first, don't want to put a nail through there, do we, Holly?
You calm down.
So from the old crappy floorboards, we have now got the 3mm ply on the floor, which looks so much better. It's so smooth and so flat. And this is the first time you've been in the video today, Holly. I'm so excited to see what this looks like.
You've got high hopes for this.
Because the trouble is, if it doesn't look very good, we've ruined the whole ceiling by putting these in.
Yeah, it looks cool.
We've got 5 meters of LEDs, this LED strip. Each one of these LED plastered in profile things, which I think I spoke about in the last video, each one of these is 2 meters long and they're a meter apart, should be the exact length what we need.
If our maths is right.
If our maths is right, so if I pull it all through, can I get you to stand on the ladder and hold?
You mean you can't do it on your own?
Oh, actually, it might stay there.
Oh, we can.
So now we've got to go into the attic, put it all the way up through, drop it down there and run it back along that one as well. Moment of truth, Holly. Oh!
Look at that!
Perfect! So that means we can literally just have a little bit more slack up there and that'll go right to the end. Bloody perfect! Moment of truth. Are we holding out much hope?
I hope so.
Alexa, turn bathroom LEDs on. Oh snap! Alexa, turn bathroom LEDs to blue. And if you're wondering, these LEDs were actually pretty cheap off of Amazon. They were like, how much? £20?
Not a lot.
They weren't a lot of money. They are 5 meters long. They're IP rated, meaning that you can actually put them in a bathroom. They're RGB, meaning red, green, and blue, so you can basically choose the color. They're Wi-Fi, they're smart, so you can basically control them like we just said with Alexa. Alexa, turn bathroom LEDs to pink. Bosh.
got a funny idea of what pink is.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a funny colour. But that's the thing, they're not super expensive, so like the CRI isn't super high. But overall, I think they're pretty good. Last thing to do is to put the diffusion over it.